Flam, Norway, is renowned for its stunning fjord landscapes and exceptional transportation connections, making it an ideal destination for nature enthusiasts and travelers seeking scenic journeys, ferry access and scenic surroundings. Flam is accessible by ferry, with services connecting to destinations like Gudvangen. The village is situated along the Ålandsfjord, offering breathtaking views and a tranquil atmosphere. Notably, the Kjosfossen waterfall, a 225-meter cascade, is a prominent feature along the Flam railway line and adds to the area's natural allure. Flam camping and hostel is an excellent choice for your stay in Flam. End of natural beauty, comfort, and convenience, situated just 300 meters from the Flam railway station and the ferry terminal. It's perfectly positioned for easy access to both the famous Flamsbana railway and fjord cruises on the Norway Fjord. Rain can't stop us exploring Flam. This short, easy hike takes you to the famous Kjosfossen waterfall. Especially if you catch it with the train on the Flamsbana passing by.
Ganun, dito. Tanang kung fu fighting, tanang tan.
General tips for hiking in Flam. Weather. The weather can change quickly in the mountains, so make sure to check the forecast before heading out. It's always a good idea to bring layers, especially if you plan to hike higher altitudes. Equipment. Wear sturdy shoes, especially for the more challenging trails, and bring plenty of water and snacks. The Flamsbana Flam Railway is one of the most scenic train journeys in the world. It takes you on an unforgettable ride through steep mountains, waterfalls, and breathtaking fjord landscapes. Flam Station, the starting point.
Shala, hi! Goodbye, beautiful Flam. I'm sorry. That's our farm. This is me.